cuarto no tengo. Girl, you know I. She take my dinero. Girl, you know I. She take my dinero.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about the twins from Alabama, which are called Famous Twins. Their father ended up being shot and killed, and it's over $500,000. And yeah, it's one of the girls' boyfriend that ended up shooting the father. So yeah, watch the video, like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.
Ran. Henry Stevenson. He shot my daddy and ran that way. On feet. I don't know. They go that way. Yes. No. My sister ain't got nothing to say to me, dog. He can't say nothing to me. Didn't know it free me, y'all. That's all I'm gonna say. Just know my sister got a $500,000, dog. A $500,000, and ain't split it with her own sister, dog. Man, I don't give ain't no loyalty fool. Just know we going to jail. That's all. Yeah, well, I ain't even tripping, fool. Said, no, I ain't tripping. I know I'm finna sit down. Just know I'm finna sit down. Ellie finna sit down. We all finna sit down. I don't get free me, free Ellie, all that. He said about your dad. Man, Jeno, man, I don't know. They got the shooting. Fool. Bro, my mama that way. Man, that ain't what y'all do, man.
Hey, Junior, chill out, man. Come on, twin. Y'all with that bullshit.
No, that's the way on our way. Man, you better could have. We could never marry him. Man, I'm finna go, bro. They try to blame me, but that is not my fault. It's not my fault. My mama, you green as. Bro, y'all hear this? You green. No, my mama, you green. On my life, she green as. Bro, on my life, bro. That's so lame. Y'all don't even know what happened. I ain't even get nobody again. Nobody. So all that, you don't know what you talking about. You don't know about my page. And all that, cause I ain't got time. Period. I'm listening to everything. Y'all help. Cause like I said, and y'all all in the comments bashing. Y'all, this is the out. I don't take it serious, period. Man, I ain't got time to go back and forth with none of y'all, period. I ain't nobody, period. I ain't getting nobody doing. You know, I said that myself. So with all y'all information, I don't get the fuck out my shit. But all that. Well, I got a headache and had a long day. You know, I'm still trying to soak out this